So is it a trade war or not? For Wall Street on Friday, the answer to that question didn't matter. It's close enough to being one between China and the United States. It was enough to send the Dow tumbling, yet again, the third time this week. That followed President Trump's threat to escalate the dispute even further with an additional $100 billion in tariffs against China on top of $50 billion already proposed. China is angry. It's made it clear it will fight the U.S. at any cost.
We feel the U.S. action is extremely unreasonable. The U.S. has seriously misjudged the situation and taken an exceedingly wrong action. The result of this kind of behavior is like picking up a piece of stone and smashing your own foot with it.
Even if the threatened tariffs don't become a reality, the rhetoric has left market volatility in its wake. On Friday, at one point, the Dow dropped over 700 points. The U.S. president told a New York radio station the proposed tariffs could cause some pain, but are needed.
Well, fellas, we've already lost the trade war. I'm not saying there won't be a little pain, but the market's gone up 40%, 42%, so we might lose a little bit of it. But we're going to have a much stronger country when we're finished, and that's what I'm all about.
The Trump administration has various officials giving off different signals. Just on Friday, the director of the National Economic Council said this was not a trade war and that there's still plenty of time to negotiate with China before the tariffs go into effect. But on the very same day, the Treasury Secretary said the tariff threat could lead to a trade war. It's that kind of uncertainty that left the markets tumbling and the White House struggling to defend its actions.
We know that there could be some fluctuation, but at the same time, the president has said enough is enough. China has to change this illegal and unfair practice.
The markets are now closed for the week, but nobody is clear where they or this trade dispute will lead. Gabriel Elizondo, Al Jazeera, New York.